Hi everyone and welcome to day 15 of 30 faces in 30 days. Today I wanted to go back to cross-hatching because I really like it, but I'm really not good at it. So I wanted to practice a little bit, and I have that really cute picture of a little girl that I wanted to work with. She's making a funny face like she's mad, but you can tell that it's just a funny face, that she's not mad for real. So I started with the eyes, and right away I knew I went too far. That's my problem with cross-hatching. It's just that even though I use very fine markers, like this time I used a micron fine liners, a 005, a 01, or 02, it seems like I'm just going too far. I don't know, it looks too dark for me because it's a child and it shouldn't be so dark. The face should be very smooth. And to me, it looks like around her eyes and around the bottom half of her face, like the mouth and the chin, she just looks like she's dirty. Like she's got mud on her face, or she ate something and she didn't wipe her face. I don't know. So I know I need to practice that more and probably try to find some tutorials to do better shading with crosshatches. And if you guys have any tips, I'd really appreciate it. So I'm gonna have to draw that little girl again because I really didn't do her justice. She's really cute on the photo and I made her look really mad and angry and not very pretty looking, I think. That said, it's just like stippling or using a scratch board. I really like doing these little marks on the paper. I find it relaxing even though it takes a long time to finish my drawing. I really enjoy doing that, so that's why I like cross-hatching too. So yeah, I need to practice more on that one. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you tomorrow with day 16, starting the second half of the challenge. Yay! I'm gonna have to figure out what I can do to keep it fresh and interesting for you guys. Funny faces or different mediums. We'll see. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.